All right, folks, Darren Liu Fitness here. I just wanted to create a video. Someone who doesn't cook very often, someone who's not really savvy with cooking, but I just bought an air fryer and I want to try out these easy recipes. And I want to show you guys that you don't need any skills and that you can create awesome, nutritious, high protein dishes with just a few simple ingredients, and literally it'll take you 20 to 30 minutes max. Warning, this is my first time actually preparing this meal. And I just want to make it realistic for you because a lot of people are just starting out with cooking. So hopefully you get to see all my struggles as a huge noob with cooking. Obviously, a lot of people think that as a fitness guy, I should be more experienced with the cooking world, but I'm just not. I eat out quite a bit. I order a lot from my own restaurant. And I've been blessed enough my whole life growing up to have my parents and my grandparents cook for us all the time. But yeah, I know the importance of home cooked meals and making sure that you can control all your ingredients, because when you can control all your ingredients, especially if you're in a fat loss phase or if you're just trying to, maintain a healthy weight, you need to know the makeup of your food. You need to know the cost of food to your body. And so, yeah, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'm also going to be weighing and tracking my food, because that is the most surefire way that you're going to get closer to your actual calorie intake. And that's when you see the fastest fat loss results happen. Or if you're trying to build muscle, obviously eating enough food is going to help you as well. So today we're doing straight up chicken breast marinated with a bunch of things that I already had in my house. We're doing some home fries in the air fryer. I heard that they come out awesome. And we're doing some green beans because vegetables are key. Now, literally, I just typed into ChatGPT, hey, robot, I have this cayenne pepper, I have sriracha, honey, salt. I have all these ingredients in my kitchen right now. What marinade can I make to make a very delicious chicken breast meal? And this is what they came up with. So let's try it out for ourselves. So right here, we got 460 grams of raw chicken breast. So yeah, it's gonna be one chicken breast per meal. We're gonna have 200 grams of home fries for each meal. And then we're going to have 100 grams of green beans for each meal. Okay, so we're gonna first by starting off by making the marinade. I got these two little measuring spoons over here. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Let me get the soy sauce. I believe this is soy sauce. So let's just go ahead and pour it here. I'm gonna do one more because it did say tablespoon. See, as a noob, this is just gonna happen in life. It says 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. I personally don't love oyster sauce, so I'm gonna forego it. And then we got 1 teaspoon of honey. By the way, this is a sweet and spicy garlic chicken breast that we're making. Next on the list, 1 teaspoon sriracha. Bang, 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 bang. All right, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. I should actually use the 1/2 tablespoon, would probably be better. And then we got 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Bang, bang. And we got a pinch of cayenne. I think we can just eyeball a pinch right here. And salt and pepper to taste. I'm using Redmond's. I like a lot of salt in mine. Pepper, I'm gonna forego the pepper. I'm good with that. All right, so that's the marinade. Let's mix it up. Gonna cut the chicken breast now. They suggest that I cut it in half, probably because it cooks a little bit faster. What do you guys think? You know what? I'm just gonna cut slits in it. So I'm gonna weigh it now to see how much it actually weighs per breast. 240. So the first one is 240. Let me make a note of that. Yeah, I still count calories till this day just because I love doing it. I love gamifying my food, and I love being able to manipulate how my physique looks and how my energy levels are based on how much I'm eating. That is the key. 216. Good. Let's dump the marinade now. Hopefully there is enough. It looks like there isn't enough, to be honest. Let's rub it on this side first. Turn it around. Oh, there's enough. All right, so we're just gonna let this sit. I'm gonna cut up the potatoes now. All right, so I read that I actually have to soak the potatoes first. in cold water for about 20 minutes. And that's what's gonna make it parch, making it easier to cook and maybe making it more crunchy. All right, so how should I go about making these look like fries at all? I have no idea, bro. I'm just gonna fucking throw it in. It's about 200 each, there we go. All right, so we're actually gonna just soak the potatoes in cold water like they said. I'm gonna add some ice. All right, I'm gonna let that sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah, so while we're at it, I'm just gonna make the seasoning and marinade for the potatoes. A little bit of olive oil, garlic powder. I'm just eye everything because that's just what I do. Paprika, sure. Cayenne pepper, just a touch. Salt. All right, so this is my beloved new air fryer. Apparently this is really easy, so I got some parchment paper. Put it down like so. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, I'm gonna put one of the chicken breasts on, like so. Just gonna throw it in there. I'm literally gonna press chicken and then start. So we'll be flipping it halfway just to get an even cooking. And yeah, we'll check back at it in a bit. Nice. Nice. Crispy brown. Back in, buddy. All right, there we got it. I use an air fryer as a complete noob at cooking. This meal, 460 calories for 59 grams of protein, all whole foods. I should be full as shit after this. Now the most important part is the taste test. Chicken breast is chicken breast. It is what it is. Anyways, if you're someone like me, sucks at cooking, but wants nutritious meals, air fryer is a good way to go. This took me a total of 40 minutes, including preparing the marinade. But yeah, if you like this video, subscribe, comment your favorite meals that you make on the air fryer, and I may make more videos like this if I get enough likes. So see you guys later. Air fried potato wedges. Damn, son. I can eat these all day.